Hello friends, today we'll talk about James Cook. He was born on the 7th of November 1728 and died on the 14th of February 1779. James Cook was a British explorer, navigator and a cartographer and a captain of the British Royal Navy. He is famous for his three voyages between 1768 and 1779 before his death. Captain Cook, known as James Cook, considered one of the greatest navigators and explorers of the time he was born. And guess what? Even before that, he was one of the best in the whole world. And because of that, because of his science he used and his maths, he won the Copel Award. That is very rare for a person to win. Meanwhile, when he won it, before he won it, his family were nothing. They were just an ordinary family. Now, when he won it, he was a famous person and made his dreams come true. And that's how James Cook lived his life. And thank you for watching.